Sometimes, the problem is not the numbers, but the way we think about them. After a man passed away, his 3 sons gathered to divide the only inheritance he left behind, 17 camels. Before his death, the father wrote a clear and fair will. The eldest son would receive half of the camels. The second son would receive 1/3, and the youngest son would receive 1/9. At first, the will seemed reasonable. But when the brothers tried to divide the camels, they ran into a serious problem. No matter how they calculated, the numbers simply did not work. Every attempt led to disagreement. Every solution created a new conflict. Breaking a camel was impossible, and dividing unfairly was unacceptable. What began as a fair inheritance quickly turned into a problem with no solution. Unable to agree, the brothers decided to seek the judgment of a man known for his wisdom and clear thinking. They explained the situation carefully and waited for an answer. He did not rush. He did not calculate immediately. Instead, he paused. Then he said something unexpected. "Add 1 camel." The brothers were surprised, but they agreed, especially when they learned that the camel would come from him. Now there were 18 camels. Half of 18 is 9. So the eldest son took 9 camels. 1/3 of 18 is 6. So the second son took 6 camels. 1/9 of 18 is 2. So the youngest son took 2 camels. The brothers stopped. They looked again. 9, 6, and 2. Together, they made 17. 1 camel remained. That camel was returned to its owner. The conflict was over. The will was fulfilled. No camel was harmed, and no one was treated unfairly. This story is not really about camels, and it is not only about numbers, it is about how we approach problems. Sometimes, the smartest solution does not come from more calculation, but from changing the way we look at the problem. Now, let me ask you, if you were there, would you have found this solution? Comment your answer.